Welcome, this is Gauri Gopnath for NE24. Kachar police have scored another success in their ongoing anti-drug operations. Around 8 p.m. on Friday, youth was arrested at Kabuganj Bazaar with suspected heroin hidden in 10 soap cases. According to police, acting on a tip-off about a major drug deal near the National Highway opposite Lakshmi Charan School field in Kabuganj, a team led by Sonai Police Station OC Viswajit Nag conducted a raid. While two traffickers managed to flee upon sensing police presence, Himu Shaklavadya of Nadir Gram was apprehended. Police seized a scooter without registration number and the heroin concealed in the soap cases. Earlier in the past 24 hours, police had recovered 60 kg of cannabis in separate operations. This latest raid further reinforces Kachar police firm stance against narcotics. Upon receiving the news, probationary DSP Diraj Pathak rushed to the scene at Kabuganj. For more news and updates, subscribe our channel NE24 YouTube and follow us on our Facebook page.